Here we have it. This is the unboxing video for the overhaul of the instruments from Berkshire Instruments. It arrived in this package yesterday. There was a one-day delay because it arrived on Veterans Day and my office was closed. I've already sliced open the top. Let's see how they packaged this for us. We've got this foam padding here on top to protect our brand new overhauled instruments. And look at that. We've got 4 yellow tagged instruments. 2 of our instruments were not used. Those are the ones that don't have the yellow tags, at least I believe that's the case. So let's take a look at one of these. So here we've got our brand new altimeter. Brand new or repaired. I haven't looked at which ones are brand new and which ones are overhauled. Here's our turn and slip. And we've got our new vertical speed indicator. And finally, wow, look at that. Look at our new airspeed indicator. Look at how beautiful that new face is. Not all beat up like our old one was. Let's see what they also included in here that are not yellow tagged. So there's our old VSI. And our old altimeter. Maybe these were still working and that's why he returned them to us. But that's really cool. Let's see what the packing slip says. So here we have our packing slip. So we've got the turn bank and the overhaul of the airspeed indicator and rescreen it. And then looks like they repaired the vertical speed indicator and the altimeter looks like it's overhauled, and then they just returned our other 2 instruments without working on them, looks like. And some shipping and handling. And that's what we were able to do the entire overhaul for.